What are the financial responsibilities of a guardian? If you're considering or have been appointed as a guardian, you might be wondering what financial responsibilities come with this role. Let's break it down to help you understand your duties clearly. As a guardian, especially a guardian of the estate, your primary financial responsibility is to manage the ward's assets carefully. This means you need to safeguard the ward's money, property, and other financial resources until they are able to manage them themselves, typically when they turn 18. First, you'll need to create an inventory of the ward's assets. This involves listing all the property, money, and other valuables the ward owns. This inventory is crucial because it helps you keep track of everything and ensures that nothing is missed or mismanaged. Next, you're responsible for submitting periodic accountings to the court. This means you'll need to file reports that detail all the financial transactions, including expenses, losses, gains, and investments. These reports help the court ensure that you're managing the ward's assets properly and in their best interest. Managing the ward's assets conservatively is another key responsibility. You can make investments using the ward's money, but these investments must be safe and expected to benefit the ward. For example, you might put the money in a high-yield savings account or a trust to ensure it grows safely. Paying the ward's expenses and debts is also part of your role. This includes covering costs like school tuition, medical bills, and other necessary expenses. You must use the ward's money for their benefit and not for your own personal gain. It's important to remember that you are a fiduciary, meaning you must act in the best interests of the ward at all times. If you fail to do so, you could be held liable for any damage caused by your actions or neglect. For instance, if you use the ward's money for personal purchases, you could face legal consequences and even be removed as the guardian. In some cases, the court may require you to post a bond to protect the ward's estate financially. This bond is paid for by the ward's estate and ensures that if you make a mistake that costs the estate money, the ward will be protected. When making decisions, you should use reasonable care and caution, just as a prudent person would when handling someone else's property. This includes avoiding any actions that could harm the ward's financial well-being. If you're unsure about any aspect of managing the ward's finances, it's a good idea to consult with a guardianship attorney. They can help you prepare the inventory of assets, file accountings, and make financial decisions that are in the best interest of the ward. In summary, being a guardian of the estate involves careful management of the ward's financial resources, regular reporting to the court, and always acting in the ward's best interest. By understanding these responsibilities, you can ensure the financial well-being of the ward until they are able to manage their own affairs.